Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to be reworking the profile and maybe one or two boards from my artisan shopping directory website on Pinterest. And I thought I would just go ahead and do it here so you guys can see the process of that. And it's basically going to be looking for keywords and trying to figure out how people would be looking for the things in this account. Pinterest is tricky. If you want to take my Pinterest class, which is extremely thorough, I'll put the link in the description. But let's go on over to Pinterest now and take a look at this and see what I need to change, because I just haven't paid attention to this account for a while. This is my artisan shopping directory website, which is a bonus for the members of the eShop Success program. Now, the first thing I see is that I don't have a cover picture here at all. Yeah, I've kind of ignored this account, but I do want to build this website out a little bit. So this is a good place to start with adding some content from it onto Pinterest to get some traffic from there. I already have, this says 300,000 monthly views. I don't really believe this number usually because that tends to change a lot and Pinterest calculates that in a weird way. That doesn't mean I have 300,000 outbound clicks, and you really want the outbound clicks if you have a website, and that's a different issue. I'm not going to get into the stats, but you do want to set things up the right way. I don't know. I think I'll work on the banner. I'm not going to do that right now, though. I'm going to edit the profile just to make sure that I have everything in place keyword wise. So this is the artisan shopping directory, curated online shopping. I think that's okay. I think that that's okay. But let me go over here and search for online shopping and see what comes up, because for Pinterest, using the Pinterest search bar that's a good way to find keywords. Online shopping sites, that could be a good one. Okay, because this is basically it's a directory of the members of my eShop Success program. So I'm going to add that on the end. Curated online shopping sites. Now we have a keyword in the title of the whole page, the account, that is actually auto-populating on Pinterest, which is good. Okay, so I want to make sure I have a curated online shopping sites. I want to put that also in the description. The artist shopping directory is created to showcase home-based businesses that design and create their own products. Shop small with the verified handmade business owners in the directory. Okay, we don't care about this. Let's see. Okay, so I need to click save somewhere on here. Oh, it's down here. Of course, it's under the Zoom button. All right, so I'm going to click save. So I've added that to here. I've added it to here, and I'm going to go back to the profile. After I saved it, it should show up here. One-of-a-kind products and curated online shopping sites. That's perfect. Okay, so now if someone is actually searching for that online shopping sites, this is probably going to have a better chance of being found in that search. So that's good. I'm not going to mess around with that too much because it has a lot of other keywords in there. Now, the saved is what I want to look at the boards, and I will deal with this banner. I'll put something up there. I don't know what. I'll find a pin or something. Image of some product. We'll see. I'm going to do the gift guides. Let me see gift ideas. Okay, I want to edit this to make sure that oh my God. This is why you have to come in and check. See, this account, I have not paid any attention to this account. So if you go into your boards and you don't have any description, don't feel bad because neither do I. Okay. Now the board cover, Pinterest kind of goes back and forth with, do you need a board cover? Do you not? And it's kind of a trendy thing for, like the creators, for the Pinterest people pinning, to either have a board cover or not. I don't have a board cover for my boards. I used to when everybody did it, but people don't necessarily do that anymore. Okay, so let's say that I do want to choose a board cover. I would just click the plus. It opens this up. It lets you choose one. I will choose this one and done. And I think, can you edit this? Can you move this around? No. Okay, well, I don't really like the way that's cropped, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so gift ideas. Now, what I want to do before I choose the name of this board, because gift ideas is very broad, and it is gift ideas. It's gift guides, it's products. That's fine. I'm going to go over here to all pins. I'm going to put in gift ideas and see what comes up. Nothing, because see, look at that. It goes away. So I'm going to back it up one letter. Gift ideas for women, for men, for girlfriend, for friends. Gift ideas. I'm going to do gift ideas and see what comes up. It's all profiles. I'm going to back out of ideas. I'm going to do gift guide for him, women, men. I don't want to do something that's so specific because a lot of these are very specific, or they're the profile names. So I'm going to do gift giving. gift giving ideas, gift giving quotes, gift giving. I kind of like gift giving ideas. Let me look in that and see if that comes up with anything else. So see, we've got all of these other words here. Unique gift giving ideas. And now we've got all of these that are more, what about creative? No, we don't want gift basket. I'm backing out. Now I'm just reading when I'm clicking on this, it's changing the search term up here. I don't want that because this is not just gift baskets, but I might want to put creative and unique gift giving ideas would keep it in that word order. So I'm going to now see, here's more unique ideas for gift giving cards. Now, okay, I'm copying that and I'm going to back out to go back to the board, gift ideas. Let's edit this. And I'm going to put unique and oh, wait, creative. Oh, it's creative and unique. Creative and unique gift giving ideas. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this. I want to put that same keyword in the description for, let's see, for women, men, friends, kids, Christmas, birthdays. And at what point does it become too much, right? So I think that's probably enough. And any other occasion where you need a gift idea, or I'm going to put gift where you need gift ideas, because that was the original one that I had. Okay. Creative and unique gift giving ideas for women, men, friends, kids, Christmas, birthdays, and any other occasion where you need gift ideas. That's a lot of keywords jammed in there, but it still kind of reads like a sentence. I wouldn't say a normal sentence, but it's a sentence. So that's okay. And I'm not going to keep it secret. Delete the board. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to click done. And then I'm going to go back and look for more keywords. Well, maybe that's enough. I think that might be enough. Okay, that's a lot. Creative and unique gift giving ideas for women, men, friends, kids, Christmas, birthdays, and any other occasion where you need gift ideas. I think that's enough. The name is more specific now. It still has gift ideas in there. It's separated by the word giving, but that's close enough, right? So I just need to go in and do this to more boards. So let's do one more. Why not? Let's go back to my account here. And you're going to click on saved because that brings up the boards. And what else? Let's see. I've been working on the gift guide, so I do want to do that. Let's do crafts because crafts is a good topic on Pinterest. And let me see what I have here because edit the board. It looks like I've got the logo as my first picture. If you don't choose a board cover, it's just going to put the first thing that you pin to that board up there. So I don't really need that. I'm going to choose another one of Bill's pins. Sequin finishes for crafting. Okay. And Bill is our moderator on my other YouTube channel. So we'll use his pins for this. Crafts. Okay. Crafts could be anything, right? Now on the website, I have this sectioned out as crafts, hobbies, and online selling or something like that. Crafts and hobbies for fun and profit. And there's a few articles about selling crafts in there. But I'm going to back out of this. Let me click this to save that. And again, I'm going to get all pins. And let's go and look up crafts because I want something that's more specific. Okay, crafts for kids, crafts for adults, crafts for toddlers. Now, this is interesting that it's crafts for kids and crafts for adults. I might want to divide this up, because a lot of the things that I'm doing on this board is really crafts for adults, and they're not really kids' crafts. So I don't know that lumping them together is necessarily a good thing on Pinterest, because a lot of times you need to get pretty specific. Like if you have a craft website that's all about crafting, or you sell templates or kits or whatever it is, you might want to have a board called Crafts for Kids, another board called Crafts for Adults, another one called Crafts for Toddlers. You can get pretty specific. So I think maybe I'm going to call this board Crafts for Adults, but I do want to go over and see what comes up when I do that. See, like there's all these other things. All right, so we've got arts, okay, arts and crafts for adults. That's a phrase that actually makes sense. Another thing that I've been okay, here's my pin, and it might be showing this because it's me. And here's another one of mine. The relaxing crafts for adults seems to be something that people are looking for because everybody is tense, right? Everybody's nervous. So I think maybe relaxing crafts for adults could be a good board name, or at least to use that word in it. But we've got ideas, arts and crafts for adults, ideas. I don't really like that word order, but we've got creative. Let me go back. Fun arts and crafts for adults. Okay, that might be good. So I'm just gonna steal this for now. And we're going to go back to that board. And I saw a whole lot of things auto-populating there. So we're going to come back to that keyword. But let's edit this. And I'm going to put fun arts and crafts for adults. And then for the description, we'll start it out with it. Fun arts and crafts for adults. And I'm going to save this for now, but I do want to go back and search again with that keyword because I saw, yeah, all this stuff opened up. Fun fall arts and crafts, DIY arts and crafts, home decor fun projects. So we've got the word DIY, we've got projects, we've got easy arts and crafts for adults, fun. So, okay, we've got fun, easy DIY projects, fun and easy DIY projects is an actual sentence, right? Home decor fun projects, summer, Christmas, easy. Okay, I think if I do fun and easy DIY projects for grown-ups. Okay, because that's another word for adults. So let's go back to the board and we're going to find it. Crafts. Oh, I changed it. No, that's the Craft Ideas blog post. Where is it? See, now I've forgotten what I called it. Fun arts and crafts for adults. Okay, and of course I've forgotten what words I'm going to use. So fun arts and crafts for adults. Ideas is always a good word to use on Pinterest. Ideas for fun and easy. Okay, well, I already used fun. I'm going to put creative and easy DIY projects for grown-ups. Oops, spell it right. Grown-ups. Fun arts and crafts for adults, ideas for creative and easy DIY projects for grown-ups. That's pretty good. I mean, that's got a lot of keywords in it. I could make this longer, and I probably will, but I'm just going to leave it at that for now. But you see what I'm doing, right? All I'm doing is going to Pinterest and choosing words from the auto-populate. If it's auto-populating on Pinterest, it means that people search for those words. Now, I would be careful searching for words on Pinterest that involve the word handmade, because if you're trying to do a board, let's say you have a board with products, okay? You have a board with your handmade jewelry. If you use the word handmade on Pinterest, then you have to understand that people are searching for handmade in the context of how do I make it myself? It's more DIY stuff. So use words like artisan shopping directory, right? Use words like to buy, because people do say like handcrafted. That's another good one. You have to think like, how is the Pinterest user? How is the person that's going to Pinterest and planning their projects or their birthday party or looking for things to buy for Christmas gifts? How are they searching and what words are they going to be using? Don't just think about the things that you think about when you're thinking about your products. Think about how is that person, what's their intent? You have to think about intent, right? If you want more information like this, join my Pinterest class. This was very top level, okay? But there's a lot that you can do, but Pinterest is a search engine. It's not just throw stuff up and hope that it hits. And definitely don't leave your descriptions of your boards empty like I did. I'm going to do that for the rest. Today is Pinterest day for me. So this is the first step. I'm going to go and do the rest of the boards. And I just thought I would record it. So leave me any questions. I will talk to you later, and I'll put the link to my Pinterest class in the description.